Hello guys, today we see another array problem. Who has the majority? So let's start. Here we can see this is the basic level questions and it is given an array which contains some element, and here given x and y. There are given two elements. We can find the length of occurrence in that array. What is the occurrence in that array? And here we can see here it is given 4 and 5. Here 4 is occurrence 4 times, means frequency of a 4 is 4, and 5 is contained 1 time, so frequency of 5 is 1. And what we do, if we got in if we compare these two frequency, if which one is greater frequency, then we can return that in the output. And if we see the second test cases, here it is given an array, and here we have to find the frequency of 1 and 7. So if we see here, 1 is occurrence 1 times, means frequency of a 1 is 1, and similarly 7 is occurrence 1 time, so frequency of the 7 is 1. So here we got both the x and y which frequency are same. So in this case what we do, we simply return the smaller element in these two. Whatever we got in the smaller element we got. If we see, if it is given like compare x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3, then what we do, we also check this array, and here we can see 2 is occurrence one time, 3 is occurrence also one time. So we compare 2 and 3, which one is the minimum, the minimum one we simply return. So let's start. What we do, here it is given an array list and given x and y. So what we do, we initialize two counter for x1 and for y1. So int count x is equal to 0 and int count y is equal to 0. Now what we do, we iterate the for loop for int I is equal to 0, I less than length of the array list. So here it is array list, so for that we write the array dot size. Otherwise if it is given an array, then we write the array dot length. So here I write array dot size and I plus plus. Here we write some condition, if the current element is equal to x, if array of I is equal to x, means if we got here it is given x is equal to 4, if we check the 0th index I is equal to 0, the current element is equal to 4, no, then go to next, check, like that. Here we can got uh, current index is equal to our x like 4, so we simply increase the count. So what we do, count x plus plus. Similarly, if array of I is equal to y, then what we do, we increase count y plus plus. Now it is completed. Now what we do, we check. Now we got the frequency of this given two number. Now what we do, we check which one is greater, we return. Otherwise if we got any same frequency, then we return the smaller one. So for that what we do, we check if count x greater than count y, then what we do, we simply return the count x, return count x. Similarly, else if count y greater than count count x, then we return count y. Now what we do, if both are equal, then we return the minimum one. So write the return math.min. Here we pass the x and y. Let's run this. Let's see. Here it is showing. Okay. Huh. Here it is showing this error because I write here in array. What it is array list. So for that, what we do, we write array dot get I because it is array list. Array dot get I is equal to y and x. Then it is check. So let's run it again. Let's see. Here it is running successful. Let's submit this. Here it is fast test cases where test code fail. Okay, okay, 35. Okay, output is 1. Correct output is 2. Okay, so let's fix this. Here let's run this again. Here it is running successful. Let's submit this again. Let's see. Yeah, it test cases pass. That's all. All the test cases pass. That's all. Thank you.